I'm going to show you different ways to filter your data. First, we have this date slider that changes the date range that you're viewing. Notice how it's changing the chart and the data table. We can also quickly filter by this search bar by searching anything in our data collection. For example, if I wanted to see what Daniel Sanders is up to, I could quickly see it here. I can also filter by going to our data collection, right-clicking, and choosing Include or Exclude. We can also create a quick filter, which will live in our dashboard. Just choose your collection, the field you want to filter by, and now you can include certain sales reps or exclude them. Now let's create and save a specific filter. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard and it'll open this panel. Choose which collection, the field, we'll do sales rep again. Now I want to see who my top 3 sales reps are, and I will save it. Ctrl V to close out. And now we have a saved filter.